Modern digital technology and media have begun to bring about a new age of healthcare, that of personalized genetic medicine. Significant advancements in genetic sequencing technologies over the past few decades have led to massive growth in genetic research. With the completion of the Human Genome Project and the ongoing International HapMap project, there is a tremendous wealth of genetic data and information available at our fingertips. And you may or may not be surprised by what company is becoming the major player in driving this research and data collection. Internet giants, Google. A common response to the thought of personalized genetics is that of fear and apprehension. Many are afraid we will become slaves to our DNA, like in the movie Gattaca.
Now only seconds old, the exact time and cause of my death was already known.
Neurological condition, 60% probability. Manic depression, 42% probability. Attention deficit disorder, 89% probability. Heart disorder, 99% probability. Early fatal potential. Life expectancy, 30.2 years.
However, this fear is irrational. Science is never as black and white as it is made out to be in the movies. Advancements in technology and data collection will much sooner lead to improved healthcare and better understanding of deadly disease than they will to genetically segregated societies. One company has already begun to bring this information to a personal level. And their biggest investors? You guessed it. The company, 23andMe, allow you to provide a DNA sample and have thousands of genomic regions of interest analyzed. In addition, you are provided with a subscription service that allows you access to their vast and growing online database of genetic information, including the latest research into a variety of different diseases and genetic conditions. All of this for a reasonable $200. From this genetic screen you can learn about over 100 different genetic elements in your own DNA, from simple traits, such as hair color, to responses to a variety of different medications, to risk factors for some of the most debilitating diseases of our generation. Co-founder and CEO of Google, Sergey Brin, through this service, has himself found out that he carries a gene putting him at high risk for Parkinson's disease. With this knowledge, he has donated over $4 million to spearhead a project that seeks to collect the genetic information and patient histories of 10,000 different individuals currently living with the disease. By continuing to collect and compile this data, patterns and trends relating to the genetics of the disease are likely to emerge and become easier to identify and study. Only time will tell just how successful it turns out to be, but obviously with those kinds of numbers, a positive result is likely. Many scientists are skeptical of Google's way of conducting research because it challenges the commonly accepted paradigm of scientific method, that of hypothesis, then data, then analysis. Instead, this project seeks to turn everything on its head, and instead, begin with collecting large amounts of data, then observing and analyzing this data to look for patterns. Finally, they will make hypotheses from the collection. Google has, in fact, already shown their effectiveness in combining modern advancements in digital media with scientific research. Just 2 years ago, at the height of the swine flu pandemic, Google was able to successfully track flu activity in the United States. This project, known as Google Flu Trends, utilizes keywords and internet search patterns in order to successfully track and predict the patterns of flu spread. And as you can see from the graph, it worked both more quickly and equally as effectively as the Center for Disease Control's published reports. This was just one of many ways by which Google is utilizing new media and technological advancement to drive the fields of science and medicine. As long as they keep up this drive and continue putting pressure on old and outdated ways of thinking, it will continue to benefit society as a whole. We must be the ones to come and accept it.